from Peachtree Street, Atlanta, Georgia, the satellite. jumping about. Finally got that money to take the 2P out. I say the woman about to panic, like to go insane. Trying to get workers out of the way of that train. The engine never low, the whistle loud and long. And you can't stop the train, you gotta let it roll on. Good day, Asbury Park, New Jersey.
Ah, yes, so good to be in the sun and the fun, as you know, don't we? All right. We have a song that we just put out, and that little suburb of Asbury Park to the north, New York, is playing it. And it's called Open All Night, and we're going to do it here. I hope y'all enjoy it and all that kind of thing, all right? Okay. Tonight, I feel just fine. Out on the streets and right out of my mind. And I know everything that a good fortune does. So darling, you got to tell which way the wind's gonna blow. I'm old enough to know there's wrong and there's right. I just got to do it. The thing is, I'm hoping all night. Well, with the way you walk, there ain't no mistake. My fingers start to shaking, knees start to quaking. I could love you, baby, till I'm completely spent. Turn around, jack back up, and give you 100%. You can turn a mouse into a man into dynamite. I just got to know if that thing is whooping all night. 24 hours, baby. Come on, boy, get your super. Love is blind, love is pure, but you'll never find anything shining and true. You got me shining like old B-Red, burning at both ends. I wanna be your love, I don't care at all about good friends. I'm old enough to know it's wrong and it's right. I just got to know if that thing is whooping all night. Yeah, whooping all night. Woo! the night, I had a dream. I was dying in desert sand, and then above, washing over me, stood an angel with a golden hand, saying, Sheila, 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 and Rita. Sheila, 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 my heart you are stealing. Living here in a whistle town, there ain't a lot to do. And after work I just ride around, I'm looking out for something new. When I saw you standing in a drugstore, trying on the diamond rings, had a run and jumped through the front door, grabbed your little hand and I started to sing. Sheila, 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 squealing and a reading. Sheila, 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 my heart you are stealing. She don't run, she don't hide. Sheila thinks that everyone is beautiful inside. Woo, inside. That's true, buddy. Put your red dress on and let your long hair down. We're gonna make them turn the lights on out here at the edge of town. I was lost and on my own, I was lost and broken down. But when you sing that old Shirelle song, I'm a king with the golden crown, singing na 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 na. Oh, Sheila, Sheila, na 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 na. Oh, Sheila, Sheila, na 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 na. Sheila's inside of the night, trying to take me into the light. Sheila's inside of the night, trying to take me into the light. Yeah, Sheila's inside of the night, and she's trying to take me into the light. Sheila's inside of the night, trying to take me into the light. Well, I listen for your footsteps coming up the drive. Well, I listen for your footsteps, but they don't arrive. Just waiting for you knock, dear, on my old front door. I don't hear it. Does it mean you don't love me anymore? Well, I see the clock ticking. Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Pickens County, Georgia, USA, the man in black, the sheer heart attack. He's got my vote. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all give him a great big hand. Sir Ricky Richards. gentlemen, y'all gonna sing out there so they can hear you out in Radioville. You got a lot of poor some bitches sitting behind a desk right now wishing they were down here. You got a lot of dudes sitting around driving around delivery trucks and taxis and they wish they were down here. So when it comes up time in the song, I want y'all to let them know what it's all about, all right? I want you to sing it for each and every one of them people that had to go to work today and couldn't be down here with you, all right? Well, I got a little change in my pockets going jingle-jangle. He wants to call you up on the telephone, baby. He wants to give you a ring. But each time we talk, I get the same old thing. Always no huggy, no kissing, till I get a wedding ring. My honey, my baby, you don't put my love upon no shelf. She said, don't hand me no light. A big old hand.